Once again, back, dear all. Here I am producing and showing you the new capsule earbuds from MI. Dear friends, this is being unboxed, and this is the new earphone. It's a gold variant from MI, and it's cost around 999. It's a very stylish one. Nothing else in the box. We will unbox the box. Let's unbox the box, and it has a small cover inside it. It's hard to unbox because I'm holding the camera on the left. Looks awesome. Friends, this time it's a great disappointment from MI. They have not given any buds for this, and we would have to stick on to the buds which they have provided with it. But anyhow, it's an awesome product. It's very hard. Maybe sound quality might be good. Let me check after connecting it, and I will be reviewing it later regarding this based on your feedback. Small indicators with this. Maybe I would upgrade a new phone. It's a small booklet and nothing inside. Inside the box there is no earbuds. Why they have probably not given, I don't understand. Actually they used to give one more earbuds with this. Okay friends, that's it. Give a thumbs up if you like, and if you have any feedback, anything that I have left over, please do reply comments. Thank you once again. Bye.